No matter the weather, caldo de papas con rajas is always my happy place. I like to add fresh corn, quesito fresco, so if you guys want to see how I make it, keep watching. Cheers! For this recipe, I'm going to start off by removing the corn from the cob, and I'm using 3 corns. I personally prefer the fresh one because it's more flavorful, crunchier. Now we're gonna roast 4 Anaheim peppers. Make sure to roast the chiles evenly. Once they're roasted, I'm gonna put them in a plastic bag to sweat. That makes it easier to peel. I set my pan on low-medium heat and I'm gonna add some oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm gonna add 3 Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of a white onion, 1 garlic clove, and we're gonna fry them for a couple of minutes. Just remember to flip them so they fry evenly. It's been about 5 minutes and now I'm gonna add 1 cup of water, cover them up, and let them boil for about 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes, they're ready. I'm gonna turn it off and set it to the side. Once they cool off, I'm gonna transfer everything into the blender. Now I'm gonna peel, devein, and slice the Anaheim peppers. For this part, I like to use a spoon. They peel so easily when you leave them in a plastic bag. I'm gonna transfer everything into the blender, along with 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And now we blend. My pot is set on low-medium heat and I'm gonna add some oil. Oil is now hot. I'm gonna add the corn, along with 1/4 of a small white onion and 2 minced garlic cloves, and salt to taste. Give it a mix and we fry for about 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. I'm gonna add in the potatoes and I use 4 medium potatoes. Give it a mix and we add in the sauce. Along with that, we add 6 cups of boiling water. Mix it well. This is a perfect time to check to see if you need more chicken bouillon. Mine needs a little bit more. I'm gonna add an additional 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. And now I'm gonna add some oregano. Give it a mix. Cover it up and cook for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. It already looks so good. Now we're gonna add in the rajas, 1 cup of crema Mexicana. We mix it, and then we add 10 ounces of queso fresco, a small bunch of cilantro. Cover it up and cook for another 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Our caldo is now ready. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Look at how good this looks, guys. The potatoes are cooked to perfection. Oh my God, with some tortillitas hechas a mano, the best. This is one of my favorite comfort foods. And here my house has been so windy, so I know it's gonna hit just perfect. All right, guys, moment of truth. Cheers. Honestly, this meal over any meal, any day. It's perfect. I love it. And there you have it, delicious caldo de papas con rajas. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.